Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you'll want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using the settings as an example for this. Once I actually find it. So once you have the content open, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. So just a simple click, and it will bring up this little window right here. So from here you can either capture a scrollable screenshot or send it. So I'm gonna go over the scrollable screenshot quickly. If you choose the scrollable, it will take the screenshot that we have already captured and allow you to make it longer, capturing basically more of the page, assuming the page can be scrolled down. Now this will also override the already taken screenshot, so the one that I have already taken is now basically being modified by me. And from here you can, as you've seen, it automatically started scrolling. I tapped on the screen to stop it, and I can also scroll it down myself, however far down I want to, with a little bit more precision. From there, once I'm satisfied, I can click on done. This will start processing the image and then allow me to save it. So that is one way of capturing a screenshot. Another one was, or is, with three fingers, as you just seen me do, which is a little bit, I would say, more convenient. All you need to do is just take three fingers, swipe down. If I actually can, there we go. So as you can see, a quick little swipe, and the result is basically exactly the same as pressing the power key and volume down. Now, apart from that, once you have captured your photos, you can find them in the gallery application. So once you open it up, there's a bunch of trash here. Disregard this. You want to go into the album category, and from here you'll have albums like screenshots, which will contain all the screenshots that you have captured. As you can see, there is one, then there's the other one, and the long one. And that is basically how you can capture screenshots on this device. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.